All right, here we are for the next 3-4 nights. TownePlace Suites Marriott in Albuquerque. This is like literally right across the road from the Pueblo Heritage Center that we were just at. We chose this location because they do have security. Albuquerque has some safe areas and then they have a lot of not so safe areas. Really not much different from St. Louis. So anyway, think about that when you're choosing your hotels.
You'll have to have your ID ready.
Okay, I will get it out.
What's zip code it would be under Miss Kessler? Oh, yes, perfect. Yes, ma'am. I sent it to Carol.
The sky.
I'm sorry. Say it again, Robert. What did we get?
A deluxe apartment in the sky.
We got upgraded to a suite, which means a lot because we're using points, so that's pretty excited. We're 4th floor again, which I'm actually liking because you don't have to worry about stomping people above you. And look at that. I got a thank you gift as a frequent rewards person. Even though we haven't been here for like 2 years, like traveling, they remember. So not, you know what I mean, the hotel chain itself. What did she say? Left and left?
Left. And it's on our left.
Left. Okay.
Left.
I'm a little just
lady
overwhelmed. I wasn't expecting a free gift or an upgrade, so you can't beat that. The only thing was they did change. It used to be, hold on one second, let me get into the room first. Okay, here we go. So it used to be $5 per game per night. They upped it to $7, but I'm okay with that because I've already seen security people driving around, which makes me feel much better. I was just talking about how we weren't staying in a room with a kitchen, and now we're staying in a room with a kitchen. Oh my God, we don't get a bed. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is gonna be the bedroom. Look at that. You gotta remember, this was free upgrade. And no, that's not the Pueblo Center. Where's the Pueblo Center? I think there it is. It is. Oops. Here's the Pueblo Center. We could technically walk to it later if we wanted. I only mention that is because besides the restaurant, they also had a little cafe that had handheld pies. And we really want a pie, but we're stuffed from lunch. It doesn't cost to go into the cafe. It only costs to see the museum. So I am sure we're going to go back there several times. A nice bathtub. Very clean. Very clean. Oh my God.
It's got separate.
So nice. I'm 99% sure my gift bag is just going to be a bottle of water, but that's okay. Is it a bottle of water? Oh, it is a bottle of water, and it is a Super Bear. I've never heard of this. Chocolate Bear Grams. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then goldfish pretzels. That's cool. And then water. You can never have too much water here where it's 90 degrees. That's really nice. I mean, if you wanted to cook, this is pretty darn cool. Oh man, even the closet is big. Oh my God, look at this closet. We do actually hang our clothes up. We don't leave them in the suitcase, so that's why we appreciate nice closets. Okay, I'm impressed. Nothing is better than a free upgrade. I'm just telling you. Right, Robert? Yeah. Were you surprised when she said that?
I was. I didn't know it was coming. I had no idea.
Look at this.
What is that?
It's a pepper shaker, and then they have individual packets of pepper inside the shaker. I guess so you can be safe. That's hilarious. Lipton. Whoever uses Lipton anymore, I like it. That's what we grew up with. Lipton Sun Tea.
Look at the size of the refrigerator. It's crazy.
It is a very nice
And it's got a
refrigerator.
freezer with ice.
Ice.
Jeez.
Well, it could be ice.
Could be ice. We
don't have any ice.
don't have to get our own.
Well, now, listen, this is going to make you feel better. When you were talking about if you didn't eat everything,
Yeah.
we didn't have a place to put leftovers, but now we do. We are here for 4 more days. Wait, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Three full days. We're here for 3 full days. So, yeah. And this is good because I'm going to get chocolate somewhere. Then we can put it in the fridge. Okay, let's do another tour just because I'm so impressed. So, yes, this hotel is just points. I mean, you can't use points for the parking fee. You do have to pay the parking fee and the taxes. But other than that, which again, you know what? I'm kind of like immune to parking fees this month at the moment because we're so used to like $35 to park in Las Vegas that like $7 is a deal. $5 was a deal. It is a bummer they raised it, but that's fine. $7 is fine. See, look, I can already see there's 3 parking trucks. So as soon as we took this exit, which right down the road, see there's the interstate right there. Listen, I'm just gonna speak frank. If I offend someone, too bad. So right when we took the exit to get onto this road, there was a whole bunch of homeless people right there hanging out, soliciting for donations. So I think might be one of the reasons there's a lot of security people. Okay, this is the closet in the kitchen. I just noticed, because I was wheeling in our suitcase, that the bedroom also has a closet. So this looks just like the other one, super nice. I do like when they give us laundry bags. I never use their laundry service, but I use the laundry bags to put my dirty clothes in for trip home. See, I'm an elite member. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good, and it got me a free bottle of water. All right, so we're heading to Dave & Buster's because we have time to kill. I do like our room. I took a nap, but there are flaws. For being a newer hotel, there are flaws. The air conditioning unit just kept making weird, loud sounds and rattling sounds, and Robert's extremely... I hit the wrong one. I keep hitting this. Then I meant to hit this. Anyway, he's handy, and he had a knife. We had a knife, and he screwed it in place and fixed it, and that's all good. So then he took a shower because it was a very hot day. Was that a dog? I heard a bark. And that's gonna be fun. And then he took a shower.
My dog barks like that.
And then he took a shower, and the shower head was clogged. So then he had to fix the shower head. It's like, whew.
That dog, what was the deal?
I don't know.
Normal dogs don't do that.
I hope we don't do that all night. We're heading down to the free breakfast. I don't know. Okay, so it looks just like the other hotel. We got that. Oh wow, jalapeno cheese baked souffle. Oh, this one has a waffle maker. That's nice. Cream cheese for your bagel. Interesting. No potatoes today, but this is like an egg jalapeno souffle. And then just plain egg. And then I got, look at these little cute yogurts. It's like half the size of normal, which I think is cute. And then Robert, they had regular sausage and turkey sausage. I am bummed there's no potatoes, but they, like I said, they have waffles. I don't know if I feel like a waffle right now. Maybe tomorrow. So yeah, very happy with this free breakfast. Look what Robert just found. So yeah, they had no fresh Danishes, just these prepackaged ones. And I also had right here, apples, oranges, and coffee. No, those are cool. We like that.
I like Otis. Otis makes a good muffin.
Otis? Yep, we get those in St. Louis. That is a good brand. This is really good. I don't know why they called it a souffle. It's more like a biscuit, but it's delicious.
So first night last night, the room itself wasn't like, I didn't hear like neighbors walking or anything, but I did hear extremely loud cars outside. So that did wake me up like several times. Not the hotel's fault that people have loud cars, but overall, it was a good sleep.
All right, second night in the hotel room. No issues. I like it. The water pressure in the shower is amazing. No outside noises last night. So we're gonna go have free breakfast and then go to the national park and hike around before it gets too hot. Look at that. This morning they had ham, egg croissants. They also had like an egg kale souffle. I just got the regular eggs. No potatoes again. I want to make some toast, but there's a maintenance worker doing something right next to the toast machine, which is kind of odd, but whatever. Like, you can't wait till after breakfast. We are getting ready to check out. We're just putting the luggage in the rental car, and then we're gonna head back in for the last free breakfast. Overall, I like this hotel. It was fine. But we're getting ready to leave Albuquerque and head home to St. Louis. Last breakfast, look at this. They have some kind of green chili stew. That looks very interesting.